Ebony back again with another video, and today I'm bringing you another hair video. Today we is going to be reviewing Unice hair wig. This is off of their Amazon store. They sent me a wig, and this is my first headband wig, so I'm very much excited to try this out and see what it's like. Before we get into this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below video suggestions that you want to see from me, and follow me on all my social media. Will be on the screen and at the end of this video and in the description box down below. First, I'm gonna unbox it for y'all. I got a 16-inch headband wig. It's color, so I'm very excited for that because I never tried color before. And yeah, we finna see what this thing coming like. They give you a head wig cap, and yeah, I'm gonna use that today, even though I got a whole bunch of wig caps. Give you an extra headband in this little cute Unice little bag, and they give you an extra little headband that you could try with your little headband wig. Inside the bag is the hair. I already opened up the hair because yeah, I'm just nosy and I just be wanting to see stuff. They give you 2 headbands with the wig, and like I said, this is off of their Amazon store, so you know, Prime, if you got a little Amazon Prime, go on there real quick, get your little quick little wig, a little quick do, put that thing on, baby, you ready to go. It's nice, it's fluffy. Ooh, child, it got a little color to it, a little flavor. Yeah. So first, what I'm gonna do, ain't even finna fake the funk. We finna see if this do a little shake. Okay, first, we don't do smell check. It smell good. It don't smell too stank. But some people wigs be a little stank. So then we gonna come and comb through it. It ain't no little shedding. I did comb through this already. So yeah, I don't want to do too much little combing because I need my little curls up in there. I didn't even tell y'all what the hell was. Hold on. The body wave. Something. I'll put it on the screen. Just gonna try this out. I'm not gonna like show y'all the whole thing of me putting it on. What I did do is braid my hair down real quick already. Then I gotta do the little edges stuff. I'm gonna do all that on camera, but I'm gonna fast forward it because this video is not really about you seeing how I put on the wig. It's just about me reviewing this wig for y'all. So I'm gonna speed that little stuff up. Y'all know a quick little do. Y'all know some people lazy than me. So I'm gonna put this little wig on and go right on about my little day, period. And I'm kind of nervous because this some little color. So we gonna see how this rocking, okay? you guys. So before I got off, this was where we was at. So I did my little edges. Y'all seen the whole little process. So what I'm gonna rate this hair? I'm gonna rate this hair I'm gonna give it a 7. I'm gonna give it a 7 because I could rock this, but I don't know, something about the color kind of giving me mama vibes. Probably if it was a little longer, even though I am a mama, but I'm still young. So probably if I was a little older and I would like short hair, I'd rock with it. But right now, the short hair and the color is kind of giving me auntie. Something like that. They need to find a way to make these like side wigs. Cause when you put it to the side a little bit, it kind of show all the little tracks and stuff back there. So I don't know. It's just something about me wanting to hit it with a side with this wig. Something about a side. I'm trying to go. Or I could do the other side. But other than that, it's good. This is a little quick little do. If you just want to throw something on real quick, I highly suggest this. And you can get it off of Amazon. Check out the Amazon store so you can get it, yeah, for a decent price. And it's fast shipping, so you won't have to wait that long for your hair. I'm finna try on this one though, because if y'all saw me talking, I'm on the phone with my best friend. She told me to put on that one. But I'm finna try this one. If I can figure out how this one's finna go. But because this one of them little cross type ones. So, oh, this one a little tighter. So I'm going to put this on real quick. That's trying to give me, I don't know. Me personally, I won't need all these headbands and all this extra stuff. I low-key rock it with just the black little strip. That seems perfectly fine to me, because all this other stuff, I don't know. These headbands just be kind of doing a little bit too much for me. And I don't really know how I want to put it. Maybe like that. Okay. And you can put it behind the ear. Like that. A little fluff to it. Get your little... Yeah, rock this. I'm gonna rock this to the beach tomorrow, cause we going to the beach. So thank you for this little, yeah. But still, like I said, it's giving me a little mama, but I can still rock it. So yeah, go on their store on Amazon and go check them out. But yes, that's gonna be the end of this video. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below Comment down below more video suggestions that you want to see from me. Any hair videos. If you want to see me try makeup. If you want to see me do all that stuff. Make sure you leave it in the comment section down below. And follow me on all my social media. Will be on the screen and in the description box down below. And at the end of this video. So yeah, go run it up. Until next time, you guys, always remember to stay blessed. And never miss out on your blessings. And to never give up. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. Put that in the video.